Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? I am coming to you with my second addition to one of my favorite fashion houses. Fashion house that I originally found from Caleb Snell. So if you can think back before the Ricky, back before any of those new ones that have come up, well, except for the Birkin, of course. He was talking about the fashion house, Salvatore Ferragamo. Yes, do y'all remember that? Yes. So I got my second addition to the fashion house finally, after searching and trying to find the perfect one for me and trying to find one in a price point that I'm comfortable with. I don't remember what the price point is offhand because all that paperwork is kind of mixed, so I will be putting it somewhere on the screen, okay? Let me tell you, quick story time. I am glad that I invest in these $5 boxes from The Real because I will insert some photos of what the box looked like when it arrived to me. It was horrible, and I mean, it's not The Real's fault, but had it only been the bag by itself, it definitely would have fallen out because of the way there was a big old hole in the box, and I'll include it here for y'all. And so, you know, be still my heart, I'm so glad that I spent that extra $5 on the box. So, you know, $5 extra, I can handle that. But here is the box, and here's what it looks like. So fair warning, I did look at this and I did open it. I actually opened it with Shy Guy from the Discord, and he's also over on Instagram. I opened it with Tai. He does have a channel. He hasn't posted in a while. And I believe he's over, oh, actually, I don't know if I follow him on Instagram or not, but he is in our Caleb's Discord. Caleb, of course, was on there. So, and me, because by the time I got on, everybody else had got off. And so I was on there with all the great guys. So I was telling them that I finally got another one. And they, of course, wanted me to show them. And I said, well, I hadn't really opened it because of, and they said, well, open it now. And I said, okay. So I did peek at it, but that has been like a couple of months, maybe. I haven't opened it since. And this is the bag that it came in. So The Real comes, I wish they would change the color of the tissue because I don't like the black. I worry about transfer with the black. But here it is. It came in a Salvatore Ferragamo dust bag. See? And let's see. Isn't it pretty? Can y'all see? So it's kind of an eggplant. I got a really good deal on it because The Real had said that the strap, this part of the leather strap, was broken. But look, I want y'all to see that. See? Right here, it's not really, I forgot what they called it. Not really broken, but they were saying that it was, but it's where the bending goes. It doesn't bother me at all. But, and it is not adjustable. So it definitely has to be a shoulder bag. It has a magnetic opening. Ta-da! And it's all leather on the inside. Here's what it looks like in the inside. Oh, the tag's in there. It's The Real's tag, but because it's a last act item, which is basically where I shop at, they don't attach it to those last act items. Here is a little pocket here that also says, has a branding there. Let's see, will you be able to see it? Here, let me move my finger. There we go. And it has a little pocket, probably the size, I would think it's the size of a little bit bigger than a credit card. Will my cell phone fit in it? I don't know. Let's find out. Here is my my cell phone cover, the fancy one I like to use for y'all. And it does. It fits. It fits. Yay. So let's see. It fits right there. Now this chain is not removable, but I could add another little chain, make it longer if I wanted to use it as a crossbody. But when it's a small purse like this and it's a date night bag, I can wear it as a shoulder, because all I'm basically going to have is my cell phone. And let's see, here's a lippy, and here's my Louis Vuitton. Hopefully y'all have seen this video already. If not, pretend you didn't see it. And that should fit in here with my cards. And that's all I'll need for a date night or night out, you know, just going really quick. I figured this could, you know, we don't really dress up too much. You know, if we go on a date, it's the movie theaters, and I'd like to keep it on my shoulder and on my person as well anyway. So I just really, really love it. So thank you, Caleb Snell, for introducing me to Ferragamo. This is my second bag. The first bag I have is a black one, and that one had a little owie on it. It was worse than I thought it was, because I thought I could fix it. I need to take it to a cobbler. It's been a year. We don't have those over where I live, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll take it to Chicago. Maybe I can get it fixed while I'm in Chicago. Or maybe I can get Caleb to fix it and then he can mail it back to me. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to voluntold a lot of people. I'm going to voluntold you, Caleb, to fix it. All right, Bean Beauties. I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you my second Ferragamo bag. And this beautiful eggplant. I know nothing about the bag, nothing at all, other than I like it. I got a great price on it. It's a beautiful color. It's my birthstone and my birthstone palette color. You know, my birthstone is amethyst, February, so I'm drawn to that. So I hope you enjoy it, Bean Beauties. Love y'all very much. Bye-bye.